Look at that. So while doing this Forex Fury review, this specific account shows a 9.1% monthly growth. Hi there, my friend Errol Muller here. Thank you for watching another video. And in this video, I'm going to do a Forex Fury review for you. Now, I'm going to delve into the depths and the details of this robot. And I'm actually going to open up the accounts to show you and point out a few things that you have to look for before making a decision. I want to inform you, I want to provide you with as much information as possible so that you can make an informed decision. Whether you should buy it or not buy it, that is entirely up to you. I'm just going to share my knowledge with you. So who am I? I am the owner of errolmuller.com. I've been online since the year 2012. I started my Forex trading journey in the year 2012, and then I really started making money online in the year 2015. I've lost a lot of money, I've blown a lot of accounts, I've made a lot of money, and at this point in time, I actually have individuals that trades my money for me. At the same time, I still love Forex Robots. I used to use Forex Robots quite often, and I just wanted to free up some of my time. Now, I'm not suggesting that you go out and get people to trade for you, because you need to know what to look for and what to look at when it comes to getting other individuals to trade your money for you. Now, let's delve right into it. I don't want to keep this video for too long, and then I'm gonna go to the Forex Fury homepage. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then I'm gonna open up the numerous accounts, delve into each one of them quickly and take you through it and make it a very informative video. And then I'm gonna come back to my website, errolmuller.com, and I want to share with you where you can find some good, reliable Forex robots. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so let's quickly go. If you go to forexfury.com, this is what their homepage looks like, and you can scroll down. What I do want to do though is I want to open up these accounts, all of these, and I'm going to show you a few things. I want to point out a few things that is very, very important for me. Now I'm going to choose one of these to do my analysis on, and then you can basically go over every single robot, Forex robot that you ever look at. You can literally, what I'm showing you here, you can apply it to make an informed decision to decide whether it is a good robot for you to trade with or rather not. Okay, so I've opened all of the accounts. Let me just show you. Continue. Here they are, every single one of them. Now there's one specific account that I do want to open. Actually, two of them. So one of them is going to be this one right here, which is called the Forex Fury Euro USD 50K. And the other one is going to be the Forex Fury Live GBP USD Low Risk. Now, as you can see on the top right hand corner, I am logged into my Forex Fury account, and the reason I want to do that and log in is to show you something. Okay, so let's start with this account specifically. First thing that you want to look at for any Forex robot is the track record verified or not. In this case, this one is not verified, which I don't really like. Secondly, you want to make sure the custom analysis is not set, meaning what some of these individuals do is when they start sharing their results with you, they will set a custom analysis. I know because I've done it before, because I was testing a few robots and I didn't want to take the tests, the ups and the downs and everything of those robots and share it with the individuals, which it's a good thing, and it's also not a good thing because it's not being 100% open and honest as to what is the results of the robot, depending if you are testing certain settings that I understand 100%, which I've done. I've tested certain settings outside of the base parameters or default settings that the developers of these robots recommend, and then that's why I've hidden some of my history before for other videos and stuff that I've made. Okay, now while we at it, before we continue, if you do want to know where to find profitable, good Forex robots, I'm going to share that with you closer to the end of this video. And at the same time, if you really want to succeed in making money online, and I'm not talking about just joining a program and get rich quick, none of that. I'm talking of building a sustainable, profitable, long-term business that will continue to make money for you up until, once you've got this knowledge and once you've built everything around your base. I'm not going to share too much about that. Once you've built that, you will basically make money for the rest of your life, up until as long as you live, call it like that, because it's a duplicatable process. You can do it over and over and over, as long as you just get the basics right and you create your follower base and you do what you need to do. But then again, if you do want to know more about that, leave me a comment below this video and I can share some more information with you regarding that. Okay. So, like I said, custom analysis is set. So in this case, I want to actually take the custom analysis. I want to click on custom analysis and I want to click all. I want to say all. You see I selected all, and then I want to say analyze. In this case, it's the Euro USD. All. So let's just click all, trade, all, analyze. Okay. See what I'm talking about, guys? This is exactly. So this robot started its first trade in October, on October 12th, 2021. And then it took a massive dive with minus 32%. Now, if we go to drawdown, let's quickly have a look at the drawdown. It was a 32% drawdown. Okay, this is Feb 2022, the year 2022, so it's not going to work. But then again, as you can see, it took a massive dive. And then it started growing, and then it had a massive jump. And then ever since, it's been growing, which is not bad. Okay, so while we're at this, another thing to look at, very important, is the amount of trading days or trading years. Now, I personally recommend an account that's always had, that's got about 3 to 5 years worth of trading records. Okay, that is very, very important. 3 to 5 years worth of trading records. Not 1, not 2, that is too short for me. 3 to 5 years. 5 years is the best. Longer than 5 years, perfect. Because then you can see over the long term how that specific robot's been performing. Okay, so let's go over the basics here. Daily, they show you a 0.21% gain. Monthly, a 3.63% gain. So it's the same robot, just different accounts. I'll show you the other account, like I said, the GBP USD low risk right now. And then drawdown is 32%, which I just showed you. If you look at the drawdown, we had a 32% drawdown. So Feb 4th, Feb 8th, Feb 10th, Feb 14th, and then it came down. So it came down all the way from 32 to about 25 and then dropped drastically, which is good. It's a good thing, which means they tweaked the settings to make it not as high risk. Okay, so monthly gain currently you can look at about a 3.63%, which is absolutely fantastic. Remember, think of your local bank, think of your local investment. Okay, if you get a 1% return per annum, or let's say a 7% return per annum, what would that do for your investment, for your bank account? Okay, now think of this. This is a 3% average, 3.63% average per month. Keeping in mind, it's compounded. So meaning you get a 3.63% on average return for this month. Your capital has grown by 3.63%. The next month, you get 3.63% on the entire amount with that growth, another 3.63%. Okay, so that is what compound interest is. So in actual fact, if you had to take this amount times 12, that will give you call it the pure growth. I'm not sure what the exact word is, but that is not compounded growth. If you want to do compounded growth, you will have to do your total capital investment value. Take that plus 3.63% equals that total amount plus 3.63% equals that amount plus 3.63% equals up until you get to 12 months. That will be compounded interest growth. Okay. At the same time, I've got to get this out, a big disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not an investment specialist. I'm not a Forex trading professional. I'm literally sharing my personal results and my opinions and things with you. So please do your own research. Don't take any of what I'm sharing with you as financial advice. Do your own research. Everything that you do and what I'm sharing with you is you taking it at your own risk. Okay, I have to get that disclaimer out there. Okay, so drawdown, okay, balance, I'm not too worried about the balance for now. That's going to make no difference because it all depends on your bank balance. Okay, so clicking on the Generals tab, it's loading. Please wait. Let's quickly refresh the page. I want to see what's doing that. Okay, I'm not going to set the custom analysis again. There's no need for that. But what I do want to do is when I click on General, okay, so in this case, what you also want to notice is the leverage is a 1 to 200, 1 to 500, 1 to 300. It depends on you, your risk, and your bank balance, your bankroll. Okay, very important. This is a real account. So the money that they are trading is real. I like that, meaning they are willing to invest their own capital into that account. Not just a demo account, it's their own physical capital. So in this case, deposits, they've made it a deposit in total since this account started till now, 37.5. So I just want to put my phone on silent quickly. $37,537.70 worth of deposits, and currently the balance of this account is sitting at $110,000. Absolutely fantastic. You know, that is triple the account growth and more. So what we do want to do then is I want to scroll down. Now, this account has only been going for, so Feb till December, that gives you 11 months, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 months that this account's been going for. Now it's absolutely phenomenal results looking at the size and how they grew the account from $37,000 plus minus $37,000 to $110,000. I don't like it because it's not been going for 3 to 5 years and longer. You know, anything can happen. It's still too new for me to say whether it's a good robot or not. No, it's not been through the ups and downs yet, market crashes yet. So for me, no, I personally wouldn't buy this robot due to that. I'll still wait for it to get to about a 3-year to 4-year mark. Then I'll definitely look at the results again for this specific account. If this account will exist when we get there. You know, there's a lot of Forex trading robots that will only put up results for about 2 years, and as soon as the market crashes, they remove it from Google, or they basically remove it online. Or they do this, they start setting the custom analysis, they hide their results, they make deposits so that the account shows as if it's been growing. But then you can look at the years. You can look at the years that it's been trading for. You can set your custom analysis to see what happened. Did the account crash due to a market crash? So those are a lot of things to look for. Then while we're at it, okay, you can look at the history of the trades, which means you can see it's only trading one currency pair. Not bad. There's a lot of robots that do that, although you want to diversify your portfolio. Now, the whole purpose of my website, errolmuller.com, is for you. I'm basically providing you with sources or resources for you to generate or create multiple sources of income. That is the purpose of my website. And that is if you really want to create long-term sustainable wealth. You want to have multiple sources of income. So in this case, one robot, one currency pair is one source of income. You want to have 10 sources of income, 10 Forex robots. And if you want to diversify it even more, you can have one Forex robot with multiple, let's say 5 or 6 different currency pairs. That eliminates or basically splits up the risk for that specific robot, different currency pairs. Still one source of income, you just basically eliminating risk. Then you get a second Forex robot, which is a second source of income. Okay, so just to get that out there. Then something that was very important for me, or for you watching this video, is when you click on trades, I want to not hourly, summary. Okay, so that is to show you how it's been performing. Duration, here's it. Okay, so trades, yes, we know history, it's been the Euro USD and only the Euro USD. You want to click on duration. Okay, then you want to have a look at the average trade to see how long it trades for. In this case, 57 minutes, 14 hours, 1 day, 2 days, 2 days, This one's been going for 10 days before it turned into a loss, and this one was going for 14 days before it turned into a loss, and this one went for 20 days and it turned into a profit. I prefer anywhere from 1 to 5 days maximum. You do get Forex robots that do trade a lot longer. Now that's also a risky thing, because what some of these Forex robots will do and some of these guys will do is it will trade and it will show as if this account is continuously in a profit. It's never ever taken a loss. And that is why I'm saying you always have to look at the duration. Some of these robots have Forex trades going for 3 months. Now you can just imagine what the swaps and commissions will be on that trade if you're trading on a ECN account, a commission account, which I highly recommend. And I will also show you now in just a second where you can get a good Forex broker. You can either open a STP account or an ECN account. I trade it with a commission account, and I've been with this Forex broker since the year 2012. I think 2012. Yes, 2012. Since the year 2012, 2013, I started with this Forex broker, and I'm still with them. So I would definitely and highly recommend them. So what these guys do is they will leave these trades open for 3 months, 5 months, and then as soon as that trade loses, that's exactly what happens. That account loses 80% of its value, or the account might blow, and then all of a sudden you can no longer find it on Google because they've taken it out. So that are things to look for. It's very important. And while you're watching this video, please let me know if you are enjoying this type of content that I'm sharing with you, and the reviews that I do, especially this Forex Fury review that I'm doing for you. Just leave me a comment below this video. Let me know that you appreciate it. That is why I'm doing these videos, is for you. And I do want to know if you really appreciate it and you like, and if there's anything specific that you would like for me to share with you. Okay, now that is it for basically for this account, and a few things to look at: the Forex Fury Euro USD 50k. Then the other account that I looked at, which is quite good, it's called the Forex Fury Live GBP USD, and the reason it says live is because when you click on the general tab, it will show you it's real. Now then again, the track record is not verified. What I do like about this specific account, same Forex Robot, there is no custom analysis set. Okay. It's been taking a dive since October 18th, the year 2022, till now, which is actually on March the 3rd. It's actually slightly outdated. It's not been updated yet. They need to set the settings again. It's been taking quite a dive. And if you look at the drawdown, on Feb or March the 3rd, the year 2023, it's taken a 11.17% drawdown. Now, why the account's frozen, I don't know. I don't know if they paused the account so that they don't share the results with you because it's been taking a dive. That's also a thing that a lot of these guys do, is they will basically pause the account on my FX book so you can't see the latest updated results. So when you look at the results, you always want to look at the results for the current day or the one day ago, like the previous day. Okay, not too far ago, not too far back, because otherwise it means they've paused the account and they don't want to share results with you. Okay, I'm not saying it's like that for this specific account. I'm just saying I'm pointing it out there. I've been in this industry for a very long time, so I know what to look at. What I do like about this account, very, very long. 1, 2, 3. So one, okay, it didn't trade the whole year of 2017, so take it as 2018. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years and 6 months. 5 years and 6 months. That is a phenomenal trading history. Yes, it's been taking a dive. Don't know what's happening here. They might send an update shortly to say what's been happening with this Forex Robot, what happened since the year 2022, October 18th. And as you can see, it's giving you a monthly growth of 0.88%. Now, I don't mind, because the drawdown on this account is 41% on average, of which the highest was this year, March 2023, and this goes all the way back to the year 2020, the drawdown. So how they get to 41% drawdown, I don't know. Then again, 0.88% monthly growth, start compounding it, you can do the calculations. I personally think this is a good account. So if you do want to decide and you do want to purchase Forex Fury, let me show you where you can not only purchase Forex Fury, but also have a look at very, very good Forex robots, other Forex robots that you can invest in. So if you head back to my website, errolmuller.com, I want you to head over okay, this is the home tab. You are more than welcome to subscribe to the weekly newsletter. I know it's very slow at this point in time. I haven't really been sending out newsletters. I will do it shortly. I do apologize. If you are watching and you've been following me for quite a while, you know that when I start doing something, I do it in quality. And that is the purpose of this newsletter. So I want you to head over to errolmuller.com, click on or hover over the Forex Trading tab, click Forex Robots. Once you've clicked Forex Robots, here you will find a numerous Forex robots that you can have a look at. Very profitable, very good Forex robots. Not all of them are the same. Some of them you have to definitely be wary of. You have to look at the results. The results might change by the time you are watching these videos and you click on any one of these links and you look at the results. It might have changed. You know, some of these accounts might have blown. I'm not guaranteeing. All I'm saying is I've done research on majority of these Forex robots. Actually, in actual fact, on all of these robots that you are seeing here, I've basically got a review video. I think besides Forex Flex EA, this one right here, I don't have a video of that one yet on YouTube. Not that I can remember. So I'll do a review for you to look at. A very, very good Forex robot is this Forex truck. I've been recommending this Forex robot for quite some time now. It's got very good, very consistent results. You can have a look at Trader's Moon. Also, very good Forex robots is your Control, Forex in Control, and Forex Stabilizer. Then again, like I said, you're more than welcome to look at all these Forex robots and browse around. Now, to build a sustainable, very profitable, long-term business online, if you are interested in that, I want you to head over to the Make Money Online tab. Click on that tab, okay? And then I want you to scroll down. In actual fact, all three of these videos, or these tabs, links, is of the same business, the same company that I've joined in the year 2015, and I'm still a part of them. I will actually make a separate video diving into this specific company alone. But what I would recommend is for you to head down where it says ever thought of building your dream business online, click the Access Now button. Once you've clicked the Access Now button, it will take you over to a page like this. You can click on this, watch the video, scroll around, do your research, click on the Get Started. This is going to cost you nothing to just get started. And I mean, you can see there's a basic level that is 100% free. All you have to do is create an account. It's going to cost you nothing. Then, yes, there is a silver, gold, and platinum account. Now, I personally, I've got a gold, not a gold, I've got a platinum account. I can actually log in and I can show you that I do have a platinum account with them. Ever since the year 2015 when I started, I've always basically been to the top and always had only the best. And at this point in time, I've got a platinum account. Okay, just so you guys know, I'm sharing that with you guys. Okay, very important. So how do you do that? Click on the Access Now button, Make Money Online tab. Once again, thank you for watching. I know it's been quite a long video. At the same time, it's very important that you pay very close attention to what I shared with you in this video, especially when it comes to the Forex Fury in this review. Okay, hopefully you've gained a lot of knowledge and you've basically I've made you aware of a lot of things that you have to look at, and that was the purpose of this video. Once again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day and a blessed life, and I will see you in the next video. Enjoy.